Well, in this video I am going to explain about how to apply for universities in Germany. There are so many programs are going on in Germany, such as bachelor's program and master program. Let me tell you before I go further that the bachelor programs always require a German language. Most of the programs require German language. Obviously, there are universities who provide bachelor's degree in English. But in order to get admission in that university, you need to face competition. You have to apply for German language courses, or you need to get German certificate in a language, for example. Then you also need to apply. You also need to have DAAD certificate, etc. Obviously, the universities are like limited who provides a bachelor's degree in English, so that's why everybody is applying in that universities in order to proceed with their bachelor's degree. So the competition is very high. On the other hand, there are like 80 to 90% universities who provide master degrees in English. In order to get admission in that universities, you only need to have IELTS certificate with the normal requirement for that. I mean, for the university is 6.5 band in each module, and as well as overall. Obviously, once you have 6.5 in each module, you will get overall 6.5. Or if you go higher, then it means that your chances are more brighter than the one who has got 6 band in each. Okay, so I am making this video on the request of one of my friend. So I would like to thank to him because he asked me to make a video for him. So here I am making special video for him. If you still need, or anybody out there who need help regarding applying in the university or application process, etc., they can write a comment. They can write in a comment box, and I will try to answer their queries, and I will try to answer their questions, hopefully. Okay, so let's begin with the procedure. First of all, obviously you need to think about in your mind, or you also need to make a plan what you want to study. That's the basic question which you should ask to yourself. Okay, obviously, you know, when you finish your bachelor's degree, you already have planned in your mind, okay, I'm going to proceed my master degree in that subject or in other subject. For example, you already made a plan while you are in your bachelor studies. Okay, so the simple method is applying in German universities. First of all, obviously, you know, you need to have internet or computer system and all that stuff. Then you need to have access to your Google browser. So you need to do simple. There are 2 or 3 methods. I'm going to explain 2 methods. I think there are 3 methods, but I will shortly explain all methods, how to find a program which you are interested particularly. Okay. So the first one which I used in my case is Master Portal in Germany. So you have to search on that. So as you can see here, you have Masters in Germany, Master Portal, Master of Science, MSc, Master of Engineering. These are the universities, and these are the, you know, some cities are here. So you need to click on that. Once you click on that, you will see a website. Something looks like that. So I really like this background picture. Then you can see, and further down there are so much written in down. So this is not really important to you, but if you like to study these all, then it will be like good information for yourself. Okay, so the simple you have to put your course or desired course which you want to study. So simply I am giving you an example. Let's say someone wants to do civil engineering, electrical engineering, IT, or anything. So in my case, I'm just writing anything. Let's go with the civil engineering. Civil engineering, you don't have to write here MNG or MSc or whatever, because we already search for Master Portal, you know, master stuff. So do some click on that, and you will have on your left hand side all the disciplines. Okay, so this is kind of filter. You want to study, you want to search the, you have to choose a country which you want to go for. Obviously we are doing in Germany, in the case of Germany. So there are so many things. It means that this website also works in these countries as well: UK, United States, Australia, Germany, Canada, etc. So this is the tuition fees, how much you want to pay or you don't want to pay. If you, obviously we don't want to pay university fees, we just have to click on that one. The first option, 0 to 500. This is just a filter. Yeah, so you can use that. Beside that, you can also see so many things in here on your right hand side. As you can see here, civil engineering, advanced computational and civil engineering structural studies. You can see 0. You can see 129 euro per year. This is a little fees they charge, but what you need to do, you need to click on that lowest tuition fees. Okay, so once you click on that, it means you don't want to pay anything, or you want to pay less fees. Okay, so here you have, we did some search on civil engineering, wind engineering, obviously related to civil engineering. You have air quality engineering, electrical engineering system, electromobility. These are all the sections or all the universities or all the degrees, which are available with that search. With the civil engineering. Obviously you have these. Some of them are very good universities, some of them are like okay, but according to me, I would say that the ranking don't really matter. It does, but I would say not that much, obviously. So it does matter at some points, but I have seen people who have studied in high class universities and they are still unemployed, and other people who have studied in normal universities, they are employed or they are doing good compared to other people. Okay, so just take an example. So let's go for I'm gonna go with this course, let's say, because this is more related to civil engineering. Let's say we have clicked on that. So now we need to find out how we can apply, what are the deadlines, how much we have to pay, what is the course contents, duration, etc. What are the deadlines? Everything you will find in here once you click on that. Okay, so you see the university name is called TU Dresden. University is ranked 151, Dresden in Germany. So this is like faculty, and you can read that all stuff. So if you just scroll down, you will see other options like overview, program outline, key facts, admission requirements, fees and funding, student visa, work permit, obviously. So these are the tabs, so which you can click on them, and you can read all the stuff related to this program. So if you go further down, you will see similar course but from other universities. Coventry University, this university is in the UK. You have Faculty of Engineering, Information Science in Australia. Obviously we are not interested in these countries. We are trying to find something for ourselves in Germany. So program outline. So here you have, these are all the courses which the university will provide you when you do this master. Okay, so these are all the courses: building material, continuum mechanics, tensor calculus, energy method. You can see that if these courses or if these subjects fits you or your interest, you can proceed, or otherwise you will have to go back and do the research again. Okay, so this is program outline. Key facts, what are the key facts? Okay, this is deadlines, international and EU, EEA, European Union or European students. So deadlines are obviously passed. The course start in October. Program intensity, full-time 2 years, credit 120 ECTS. So these are the credits which you should gain in order to pass that degree. Language is here in English. Sometimes you see English and German, but in this case this is only required English. Delivery mode is on campus. Obviously you're going to be studying in the university rather than studying at home, for example. Admission requirements. Okay, so here you have, they're asking two things: TOEFL IBT or IELTS. TOEFL is 79 points overall or out of 120, and IELTS you have 6 points. So this is very good university, top ranked university, but the IELTS requirement is not that much high, because the reason, the whole course is like highly technical, I would say. So obviously in that, like, you need to do mathematics or you need to do other computational stuff, but I don't think so. This is just my thinking, the other things could be possible in order to have this low IELTS requirement. Okay, academic requirements, these are some tips for the application. So application, curriculum vitae, copy of passport, official attested copies, qualification degree, etc. In here I like to say that whatever you have, all the documents, you should get them attested from related boards, IBCC, or you can have HEC or PEC or other bodies, for example. Then after that, once you have all the documents, then you need to go to where you have courts, for example, the year where you find barristers or you can find lawyers. You need to go there and you need to get all the documents notarized. They will give you a stamp of notary public. You need to you also need that stamp on your documents, as well as attestation from related boards. This is a document related related query. Personal statement with your reason for enrollment in the program. Why do you want to study that? You also, it means that you have to relate your degree to this program, or this program to your previous degree, for example. You need to have some kind of proper explanation on that. So this is all about that. If you can go fees and funding, let's find out. Fees and funding, you don't have to pay anything for that, but the only thing which you have to pay is about 275 or maybe 280 euros for semester ticket. They provide you like transportation, you can use that for transportation. Is each semester you have to pay. Okay, and then no tuition fees. Student have to pay administration charges, which is 270. Sorry, I forgot to I made a mistake. It's 270, not 275 or 280 per term, including ticket for public transport. So you will get that public ticket. This is a living cost is 756 to 1100. This is too much. The living cost is costs are I would say around 500, so not that much, 500 to 550. Okay, so funding, obviously, this is some kind of scholarship and all that stuff. If you like to apply for scholarship, you can still do that, but these courses are highly competitive. Student visa, you have to okay, work permit. This is not related to you basically, but once you are in Germany, you will find out about these kind of things. Okay, this is one method of finding your degree which you want to do. Okay, the second method is, so we have, it's called DAAD database. You can also have DAAD scholarships, because these scholarships are highly competitive. You have to work hard for that to get that. It's not really easy to get these kind of scholarships, so you need to come down international programs. Okay, here you have the website. You just need to do some search on it. Okay, let's say civil engineering master, or maybe you don't have to put that. You have to see the keywords here, filter on your left hand side. You can pick the options from here. Civil engineering master, I don't have to write master in here. Basically I can just write civil engineering course type. Okay, so master, here you are. Then if you do field of study, let's say engineering, subjects, okay, what you want to study, civil engineering, so here you are, and you will see, you can do all the options by yourself, and you will see so many courses are available here. First of all, advanced computational method in civil engineering, international master program, and so on and so forth. So here you have duration, beginning winter semester, save, obviously this is mode of you study English, tuition fee none. So it's a place, University of Technology Dresden. So here you have all the options. So if you can go further down, you will have other universities, other programs, etc, etc. Okay, so let's pick one option. In this case we are picking this first one. Click on that, then you will have more information. Teaching language is English, degree type is Master of Science, language in English. Participants can attend elective subjects taught in German. It's up to you, it's not compulsory, just optional courses. If you like to do them in German, you can do that. Program duration is 4 semesters, beginning winter and summer semester. It means that you can apply for a September intake and also for March, I think March intake. So so you see here it's written here, first March of following winter semester, first September for following summer semester. Okay, so tuition fees is none. Combined master degree, this is not combined. Joint degree, this is not joint degree, just a simple degree. You can read through all overview, further opportunities what you gonna have after your completion of your degree. This is the method of finding a suitable program for yourself. Second method. Third method is that this is not so much suitable, or this is not so much, I would say, strong enough for you to find your degree program. Let's say first of all I might need to do some research on university. Let's say engineering universities in Germany. So you will get a list of the universities. Here you have, for example, you need to go check on, let's say, Technical University München or Munich, TU Munich. So you need to go on the university website and check whether they accept application directly in the university or whether you have to apply through other means. So this is kind of lengthy process, and obviously it's a time consuming, and it will also will tell you whether we accept application through our website or you have to apply through Uni-assist. As you can see here, Technical University Munich, University of Munich, they don't accept application directly, but you have to apply through Uni-assist. Uni-assist performs all preliminary check and international application, etc. So later I'm gonna explain to you how you can apply through Uni-assist. Okay, application and admission. You are interested in applying for full-time, part-time study. This is something which students should read out. So this is not something for me to explain every single line to you guys or to you, for example. So you have to do some research in order to find something suitable for yourself. Obviously you have to play your part at the same time rather than me explaining every single thing. Okay, so I'm just going to guide you that. This is a process where you can go there and apply for your degree program. Okay, so I have explained 3 methods. Now most of the universities accepts application through Uni-assist. Okay, what is Uni-assist? Let me define it for you first. Uni-assist is a portal where you can go and apply for your desired master program in your desired university, for example. So I'm going to explain how you can do that. It's just simple. You have to go on Google, just put Uni-assist. So once you have that, you will go to online portal. Yes, click on that. Once you click on that, you will see a tab in English. Obviously this is the website look like. You have login, registration, contact form, conditions, data protection, etc. In your case, because you are new applicant, you have to register yourself first. Registration. Okay, so username, password, this is all a kind of form, whole form. You have to fill it up, go further. It says like carry out registration, so you have to go further. Date of birth, everything you have to put it sincerely. Second thing, because in my case I already have an account, once you register yourself, you will get your special username and password. In my case, I ask this website to remember it, so you remembered my website. Here if I log in, so here you can see how the website look like this. You can see that here. So program file, applications, upload and manage file, task, contact. You have to obviously read through it, what is saying, how you can work on that website. You have to do some research at the same time, okay. So applications, let's say upload and manage my documents. Once you have that, you have to check the tabs first. Edit profile, basic questions, search courses, application, upload and manage, etc. So at the end you have sign out. So let's check this one out. Edit profile, what it is. Okay, this is the one which you already have created, registered yourself, and if you want to change something, you can come and change your password, you can change your email, you can change your name, etc. Basic questions. Let's go to the next one. So these are the basic questions. Obviously these are related to your data, to your background, etc. So the second one, search courses. Okay, so here it comes. This is the main part which you have to work on. So choose the master program, winter semester, start study in September, October. Okay, so you can check these all. If you want to start in summer semester, you can pick this option, or if you start studying, if you want to start in summer, in winter, you have to pick this option. In my case, let's pick this one up. Then choose your intended graduation. Okay, so you don't want to, if you want to do master, bachelor, whatever you want to do, just pick it up here. So in our case, we're putting master. Okay, now choose the university or college. Here you have whole data of your universities. For example, in your previous search, if you found a university, let's say TU Dresden, then where you need to go, you need to click on that. Now you need to find TU Dresden. Okay, so you will find something here: Dresden Hochschule, Dresden TU, Dresden Technische Universität, Dresden TU. Let's say we have picked that one up, that option, then and choose the discipline you are interested in. Okay, so we are interested in civil engineering. We asked to give us some results about civil engineering. So then you have to find something here about civil engineering. If you can find, there will be something. Okay, so I cannot locate that. Here it is, civil engineering. Yes, and then click on search. So here you can see it says, unfortunately your search did not produce any results. It means that the time which we want to study, at that time university is not providing a course, or the deadline has been passed. Let's summer term. Okay, let's click on that and change our search. Let's see what it says now. Yes, here you are. So in this case, it has accepted our request. So it gives you the course detail. Here you can see that. So here you have course available to your Dresden master program. You just need to click on that. Then you will have other options to come on your screen. So it is working. Yes, once you click on that course, it will tell you summer semester 2020, university name, master of science, course, subject, deepening, direct study, information, etc. And also it will tell you the deadlines as well. Okay, so if you are happy with that, if you are happy with these all information, then you have to make an application now. How we can do that? Yes, once we have find out about our course, then we have to click on that application tab. Once you click on that, you will see something like this. Okay, in my case, because I already made applications, and you can see once you have completed your application, you will get this kind of tab. Okay, if you are a new applicant, then you will always see that this button, create a new application. So if you click on that, obviously you have to do some, you have to put in here your all master, you have to put university name. Let's say we picked before TU Dresden, and I don't know why it's gone back again to that same option, so let's find out. It's okay, it happens. Then you have civil engineering, then you need to do research. You have the course, you have everything. Now you have to pick this option, sorry, because the other one was not working in other time. So Bauingenieur Wiesen, it's a German name, so search here. Okay, so once you have that, so it tells you that your course is available. Yes, then you have to click on a button where you can make an application. This is the documents which I have uploaded for my application. If you want to upload some more options, just click on upload files here. The main thing which I am trying to find out, how to make a new application. So click on that application. So you have a button, create new application, then it will take us, go back to that. Yeah, because I already have made the application, it is not giving me other options to make new application. But once you do your application, you will always have an option where you can create or generate new application. So let's say, for example, I have applied in these universities and I am going to click on that to find out like what kind of document I have uploaded, what are the other options I should do to complete my application further here. Yes, if you click on that, then it will take you through all the process. Okay, yes, because other time I was not getting option for the new application. Once you click on create new application, you will have something similar to this page. Then you can have everything here uploaded. You should follow these steps and you will upload your documents, read through it, everything. General questions, it will ask you general questions, study at university, you know. Then you have files. These are the files here you can read. These are the files which I have submitted in my case. Obviously, if you can manage to have these all files, you can do that. If not, then you know these are compulsory, which you have to do it, and I'm sure you all have these kind of documents for your master degree. So if you can see, this is my diploma, this is my CV, my passport, everything. You should have these all documents in PDF format. Okay, so one thing I like to mention in here, if you make more than 2 applications and you don't want to include letter of motivation for the university which you already have applied, I mean obviously each university requires its own letter of motivation, the other documents will remain the same. Then you will have to untick the letter which you don't want to include. Okay, so obviously you have made one motivation letter for TU Dresden, and you need to make another motivation letter for TU Munich. When it comes to uploading document, you just need to unclick the motivation letter from TU Dresden and then upload a new letter of motivation with the TU Munich or TU, you know, Frankfurt or whatever, for example. So this is how you can manipulate, how you can play around with your documents, how you can change your documents, or how you can delete them. You cannot delete documents from here. You can just untick it. Once you untick the document, then this document is not included in your application. Okay, so these are the documents which you should have. In my case, I had so many English certificates and I uploaded every single thing, but for you, you don't have to include all, you just need to upload IELTS certificate. Okay, so here you can upload new document, choose file, and then you just have to click here, upload files, go to next step, etc. Once you finish that, then electronically submitted. Once you have all your documents, everything, the application has already been submitted and is in progress, because in my case I have submitted my application. But once you will do your application, you will